Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponers. So today I am here with the Kroger ad preview. I know it is a day late, but weekends are kind of a busy time for me between school and church stuff, and I actually was doing some work for my uncle yesterday, so yeah, just not a whole lot of time to film. I actually didn't film it all yesterday. That click list video was bulk filmed, so I was able to just get what I needed to do yesterday and not have to worry about anything. I got a bunch of school done yesterday, so it's actually a really productive day, but didn't really get a whole lot done on YouTube, so I know a lot of you guys are probably bummed about that, but I am nevertheless still here with the ad preview for you guys. So there is the quick flip. As usual, you guys might want to go watch the quick flip video, which basically just shows the ad in a version where I'm not talking, where you guys can just see the ad and the ad pictures. But this is going to be commentary, me telling you all what I think, me providing honest opinions, all that fun stuff. So this Kroger sale will run from Wednesday, September 11th through the 17th. So yeah, that's something to keep in mind. We got a week on this as usual. It is truly just a repeat of the 5X. So I really am not excited at all about this ad. There's nothing new, but some of you guys might be excited about it. So, yeah, but it's the same thing. The week after is supposed to be a mega sale, so I'm really pumped about that. We're going to have another mega event, so those are always fun. But be sure to come back on Wednesday, because I will go through and do a whole entire matchups video and all that fun stuff for you all. Keep that in mind. It's never just, boring. I never just, there's always more than what is in this ad, as usual. So, yeah, let's just dive right in. We got 2 for $3 on strawberries, 69 cents a pound for the Heritage Farm chicken drumsticks, thighs, or whole fryers. That's insane. It's definitely going to be good in our cheap meals video. Buy one, get one free on the boneless chuck roast, 97 cents a pound for peaches and plums and stuff like that. Buy one, get one free on the Thomas bread products. 5 for 10 on Marie calendars, and $5.99 for Starbucks. As you see over there, we got some Chex Mix and stuff, 10 for 10. Sorry, my allergies today have been horrible. But we actually have a 50 cent off of 2 coupon from a previous insert, I believe. So those are a good price. Or maybe it's printable. I'm not 100%. And then just some Velveeta. That's not that good of a deal, but whatever. They like to throw that in there. And then down here, $2.99 for 18 count Simple Truth eggs. And then we got $9.99 for chicken wings at deli. Is that what it says? Oh, chicken wings of fire, whatever that means. And then we have our digital deals. I'm not going to rehash over all the digital deals. I have a whole entire video up right now about all that stuff that you guys could literally just go watch. It's the same sales we had last week, so who cares? But over here is our Friday, Saturday deal. We have $5.97 for some salmon fillets. And then this is a good one. $4.77 for the 24-pack of Pepsi and Mountain Dew and that kind of stuff. And then I know Frankie told me about this deal. And I remember a long time ago, Penelope Jackson here on YouTube, she has her own channel. She talks about couponing. She also does a prepper, I think is what they call it. She told me these are some of the best pizzas ever. So I looked at the original price and these are $9. They're going to have the Screaming Sicilians for $2.99, which is if they're really $9, then that's a really good deal. So you might want to stock up if you like Screaming Sicilian. There was a $2 Ibotta, but I don't think it's available anymore. So, yeah, but maybe it'll come back. Who knows? Yeah, here's just a bunch of 5X stuff. I'm not going to rehash it. I just don't see the point in rehashing it because it's literally the same thing. There are a couple little tweaks, though. They are jacking the price up on the Kool-Aid Jammers to $1.49. That's annoying. And Frankie pointed this out to me, and I saw it earlier, too. It's kind of humorous. The Minute Rice is $1.99. It says there's a $1 5X digital. They say it makes it $1. No, that would make it 99 cents. So that's a little nuts. Yeah, it's 99 cents. And then the Hormel down there, they're still saying the digital is 50 cents off as of today. Well, not today, but as of Thursday, it was still taking off $1. So I'm not sure if it's still taking off $1, but rumor has it, it's still taking off $1, making them 99 cents. And we have that $1.50 Ibotta rebate, so that's a good deal. And there's really nothing new here. It's kind of just the same old, same old. They did extend the all detergent buy 2 at $2.99, get a snuggle for free, which I'm loving that deal because I still got good coupons. So yeah, you'll have to let me know if you guys have been getting your all. Down here is just a repeat of that. Yeah, so who cares? It is a slow week at Kroger. It really, really is. But and it's a very small ad. So here's just some produce. I'm not overly impressed with anything there. I don't think any of it's really that good. But we also do have a free Friday this week, which is nice. It's an energy drink. Let me look here. A free Rain energy drink. REIGN. So yeah, free Friday. I'm so glad it's back. It's been some weird freebies lately, but I'm really glad it's back. I've missed it. It just brightens your day to have a free Friday. At least it does for me. It's nice to have a free item. I still go cash in on my last freebie. And here's a little bonus deal if you guys didn't know. There is like an airplane or something, or a helicopter just zooming by my house right now. So if you heard that loud noise, that's what it was. But anyways, there is a Checkout 51 rebate. If you buy that Chobani yogurt, which we have a free Friday for, and bananas, you'll get 75 cents back. So what I'm planning on doing is grabbing a single banana for like 19 cents or something, and grabbing a yogurt. So I'll get my free Friday yogurt and a banana. I'll pay like 25 cents, and Checkout 51 will give me 75 cents back. So that's really, really cool. So utilize those free Fridays as money makers with these rebate apps. You can do any item on Ibotta, just lots of cool stuff like that. Make those good saving opportunities. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching.